Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing my last Planner Society box. So as you guys know, I did cancel my Planner Society subscription. I think it's time to take a pause on it, and then whenever I feel like I'm ready to resume, then I'll definitely do so. I love the Planner Society box. It's a great box. It's great for the price. You get a good amount of stuff, so I definitely recommend it if it's in your budget. You pay for it every other month and you get it every other month, which is amazing. And they are a planner subscription. You get paper, pens, all kinds of fun goodies, and you know, planners and all kinds of fun things. So definitely check them out. I'll leave their link down below. No way sponsored or affiliated with them. I just absolutely love the box and I've always shared it with you guys. So yeah, I'm really excited to see what's in this new box. I know there's a tan in here for sure. I saw the previews in Christy's Instagram page and I was like, wow, this is actually a really beautiful kit. So anyways, let's go ahead and open this baby right up. I do want to apologize because I noticed that my last two videos the camera gets a little shaky, and I'm not sure why, because I got a new dining room table and it's really sturdy. Maybe I'm just like putting too much pressure on it, so I do apologize if it's shaky. I'm not sure why it's shaking when it's really strong material. It's a really strong wood. It was extremely heavy to bring in and to take down, but that's a whole other story. I plan on doing a reveal of my dining room with the new dining room table. I added new curtains and I rearranged a little bit of my furniture, so now everything is kind of where it needs to be. So maybe look out for that video really soon. But yeah, so hopefully you just kind of bear with me. I'm not really sure again why it's shaking, but I'll try not to put so much pressure on it. But yes, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open up the box. I have my scissors, and normally I get the main Planner Society box. I can tell it's already shaking. Normally I get the main Planner Society subscription, and I also get the sticker box kit, and they are both so worth it. If I could get all of them, the washi kit, the regular sticker kit, I totally would. I really love the Planner Society. So look at this. Oh my goodness, it's just absolutely beautiful, you guys. I'm obsessed already. So this is the sticker kit and this is the sticker box kit. And look at the bag. It has little bows on it. Super adorable. Oh my goodness, I love it already. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this right up and let's see what the sticker kit looks like. I have to do my nails once I'm done with the quarantine. Alright, so here we go. So here we have the checkbox list. Oh my goodness, and it's like a little clipboard. I am loving the black with the florals. So pretty. This is gorgeous. It has some decorative stickers at the bottom that you can use. So I love that she uses the full page. And then here we have some half boxes, quarter boxes, and some washi strips. I mean, look at that. Absolutely stunning. Here we have the decorative boxes. Look at how beautiful that is. All the prints, the pattern combination. You also have some extra washi tape here at the bottom, or extra decorative stickers at the bottom. And then here we have our last sheet, which has headers, date covers. Then you have headers with the bows. Then you have decorative bows at the top. You have trackers, and then headers with the checklist and some icons. So really pretty. Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful kit. Obsessed. Absolutely gorgeous. So I can't even imagine what this sticker or what this kit's gonna be like. Wow. Am I regretting it already? Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay this down. Wow. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and start with the pen. Normally the pen comes in a clear plastic. This time she didn't send it in one, but this is what it looks like. So it has pink and white rhinestones, it has a gold band, and then it has the cover print on the very top. So look at how gorgeous that is. So pretty, absolutely beautiful. And then we have what I'm seeing is the sticky notes. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. You guys, I'm drooling over this. All right, so here we have the backing. I always say save the backing because you can make page markers, you can make pockets out of them, washi cards, all kinds of things. So that bow one, absolutely gorgeous. And then here we have the sticky notes set, which is a little dress on a hanger. Wow, obsessed. Christy nailed it with that one. Love it. All right, so oh, here's the plastic for the pen. Okay, so then we have mini stickers. The bag is beautiful. It has all these gorgeous florals on it. So we're gonna go ahead and open that up. I like to save the bags as well. I just kind of hoard everything that comes in the kit. And then I even save the plastic packaging because you could always use it for your Happy Mail. Alright, so then here we have the sticker sheets. These are the decorative stickers. So we have these super fun decorative ones. Again, she nailed it with the design, the colors, the print. Everything looks beautiful. Here we have little boxes. And then some little divider headers, I think that's what it is. And then here we have some more decorative ones with some quotes, that bow, that dress, the floral, and then here we have another sheet of this one with little banners at the bottom. Really cute. All right, and then we have, this is probably what I'm going to miss the most, and it is the die cut. Sorry, I have the fan on because it's so hot today. Here we have the backing, but the die cuts I'm definitely gonna miss, but don't worry, I'll be back really soon, just taking a small break. All right, here we have the little perfume bottle. Look at how cute that is. And these are stickers, by the way, so you could peel the back. And then this is a floral. And then we have the little old school telephone. Oh my goodness. Then we have some more florals over here. We have this gorgeous bow. I have all kinds of ideas running through my head. All right, here we have a little, looks like a planner with a bow or a frame with a bow. And then we have the dress with the bow print. Really cute. The shoes, look at how gorgeous these shoes are. Pair them with the dress and you got an ensemble. Then we got another perfume bottle, a gorgeous lipstick. Then we have some more florals, a bow with the yellow with the print of the bag. Then we have some more florals. Here we got more, another dress, the black bow with the floral print, and some more florals. Oh my goodness, that one is beautiful. All right, and then we have this one right here. Stunning. I love them. All right, and then we have the quote cards. She tends to send decorative quote cards or just decorative cards. So here we have throw kindness around like confetti, shine bright, planner girl, she is fabulous, fierce, and joyful, work hard, stay humble, beautiful, hello beautiful, and dream fearless. So cute. Alright, so then next, I'm putting all these plastics down here so they don't fly away because I have the fan on. Alright, and then we have the adhesive pockets. And it has the little cover. Alright, so here we go. That's the backing. Oh my goodness, that's just gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Alright, here we have this pocket right here that has kind of like a half circle at the very top, and it's the bow print. Really pretty, so it goes like that. And then we have this one with the scallop top. Beautiful. And then, oh my gosh, the larger one with the scallop top. And again, these are all adhesive pockets. You can attach them to your dividers, to your planners, all kinds of good stuff. And then we have page markers. Yes, these are gorgeous. Christy's making me regret this. Alright, here we have it. So we got some page markers. Here's the backing for that. And then here we have, these are actually like acetate, right? No, it's like a plastic, but it's really pretty. So you get the smaller one with the bow. Here, let me turn it over so you can see that. Look at how cute that is. So you got the smaller one, and then you have the same size in this version. Really pretty. And then we have the larger one. You can add sticky notes, use it as a sticky note dashboard. You can add washi tape. You can put a pocket on here. Oh my goodness, the possibilities are endless. Alright, and then you have the larger one for this print. Really cute, huh? Oh my gosh, I love that. Alright, and then we have the washi tape, which is the same print as the bag. I'm just going to go ahead and rip this baby wide open. I like to show you guys how it looks laid out. Alright, look at that. Oh my goodness, that's beautiful. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so next we have the divider tabs. I always forget that. These are divider tabs, and they're actually stickers, so you can just fold them and you put them as tabs on your dividers or dashboards, whatever you want to do. Alright, so here we have, again, they're stickers, and they have the half right there, and you just fold them at the edge of your paper. And look at how cute these prints are. And then you always get the labels so that you can fill them in the white spaces. So really cute. You get all kinds of things. You get calendar, homework, list, girl boss, all kinds of fun stickers, so that's very useful. And then look at this. Oh my goodness, beautiful. Alright, so then we have, I'm gonna save the best for last. Then we have the Scalloped Edgers, which right now, these Scalloped Edgers are probably one of Christy's most popular items. So she started selling these separately. So if you guys are interested in these, you can check out her website because she has a ton. And so these are the larger ones, which I love. And you get the black and white with the bows, and then you get the print for the bag with the floral. So really pretty. I love these. And you get 5 of each. So really, really nice. Alright, next we're going to go to the paper. The paper definitely feels a lot lighter because, again, she kind of downsized a little bit. But she did drop the price. So, again, go check it out if you guys want to subscribe. It really is a great subscription. If you're not a planner and you're a scrapbooker, then you can definitely do a lot of scrapbooking with these. If you like to make embellishments and cards, you can definitely use that for this. So I love that it's very universal and you can do just about anything with it. But you guys, look at this paper. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is calling me for a TN. This is just, I mean, how can I not, right? Stunning. Look at how beautiful. And you always get 2 sheets of the same print. So you got the black and white, and you get the florals, really pretty. And then you got the vellum. Look at how cute that is. And then you got the acetate with the gold bows. Just gorgeous. And then this print, how does she not use this print more? Oh my goodness, I think she only has it on the card and on the paper. This print is just stunning. Stunning. And then in the back you just have gold shapes. You got triangles, circles, hearts, all kinds of fun things. And yes. Alright, and then the last item, it's a TN, you guys. It's a TN. Wow. Alright, so here we have it. Oh, that's so pretty. So if you guys remember, she did send a TN like this one in the last kit, and I did decorate it on my channel and all of that. So if you guys are interested, go check out that video. Look at how cute this is. So it is like a thick clear jelly cover, and it has a coral elastic band. If the elastic band is too big, because as you can see, I mean, even if you fill it up, I think it's still gonna hang a little bit. So you can always just cut it and just do a little knot, and then you're good. But I love the color of the elastic band, and it has 4 elastic bands here for your books and your dashboards. So this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And then you also get the books. I wonder if she's going to be selling the books on her website. I mean, that's something I would definitely love to check out. But here we have the books, you guys. So you get the black with the floral print, then you get the pink with the floral print, and then the white with the black bows. Oh, so cute. Alright, so here we have my list, and then we have notes, and then we have the weekly layout. Really pretty. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That is my Planner Society subscription box. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will leave in the title what month this kit is from, but yes, because I forgot. I've had it since like before quarantine or whatever. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.